What's up, guys? My name is Christina, and today we're going to talk about how to create high converting strategy for your website, how to build a perfect homepage. And before we starting, we need to understand why we even built a website in the first place, and that's because we need more sales and we need more money, because websites are made for sales and making money. That's like the only reason why websites exist. You can fight me on that one. And how to create this? So websites have like two main points. Like there's the formula behind every website, and that is emotion plus logic. So emotion plus logic. And by emotion I mean the feeling. Like you open the homepage, like any website, and be like, wow, that's so me. Or like, oh, I like how the colors look, or like I like the feelings. So it's more about the feeling. And we often buy something just because of the feelings, or we looking at some kind of purse or bag and be like, oh, I like this bag, I want to buy it, just because the feeling it gives you. And the second one is the logic. So to make people book your services, you need to certain structure and the logic behind like every website out there. You need to like have navigation on top, so and like have something like contact us or work with us, so the potential client will look at this and click on this and book a call with you, right? So two things, emotions plus logics. And I'm going to show you how to create this, because how we should actually put this on our website. And we should start with first, this is going to be a clear message. So I don't have statistics on my hands, but basically anyone like who lands on your websites be like have like 5 seconds to figure out where are they. They should know that immediately. They should just open your website and like in first 5 seconds they should figure out what your website is about. And here are some examples, like marketing that makes beauty brands bloom. So let's imagine someone opened the websites and the first thing they see these letters, the big letters that says marketing that makes beauty brands bloom. So they immediately know, oh, there's some marketing agency and they probably work with beauty brands. That's it. That's how easy it is. So everyone should just know immediately what your website is about. Like here is an example: empowering women in business through smart social marketing. Or like below there's also extra text, helping female entrepreneurs grow and thrive with strategy, social media marketing. So people immediately know it's about marketing, it's about social media marketing, and they work with women probably. That's it. That's it. So the first thing you need is a clear message, and it works not only like on main, I call it hero screen, but also on every other paragraph. So like here, an agency built by women for women-led beauty businesses. So this is for about us. Like here you can see subheadings, and here you can see a heading. And the idea behind headings, people first they read the biggest text. So people notice biggest objects first, like this is like basic compositions, some kind of stuff, and there's psychology behind this as well. They see the biggest one and then they notice the smallest one. So the bigger is your heading, they should figure out like the message behind it, because this paragraph, as you can see, most people don't even read it. Like they don't care. And I don't know, there's the statistic, just trust me. Most of people don't care about these little paragraphs on website. Like the text is really good for SEO, like for search engine, but usually they don't really read that one. Maybe when they're interested, like before purchasing something, they'd be like, oh, okay, I need to read this before I buy. But usually, yeah, what we do the best. Like the bigger headings are matter, and paragraphs are so. But it's good when you have like clear message in paragraph as well. And like also it's really good for SEO and for organic traffic. Okay, first clear message. The second one is photos. Photos should be in good quality and optimized. For optimizing photos, the reason actually why we need to optimize our photos, people are lazy, and when something not loading really fast, they just leaving. They give it like 5 seconds and like bye. So we need to make our images to upload really quick, even for the people with the bad internet speed. So here I use compress image, iloveimage.com, really good website. So here you can select and like drag and drop any image you have, and then there will be like they reduce the file size, so it's really good one. And also branding photos, they should be consistent, so they should be in some kind of same style or same colors, because remember the feeling and the logic. And photos more about the feeling, it's on design side, so we need to have like really pretty photos. Like here you can see everything is kind of have this green color in it. This is for portfolio, and here as well, like you can see they kind of same style. Like they have a lot of gray background and this really cute neon green color. Same here, like here you can see like red and like minimal black and white photos. I don't know, I think it's look good. And for portfolio I make it black and white, but on hover you can see they become more colorful. And here is like this template. Also the feeling that this gives you, like when you look at this gray color looks really clean, looks really minimal, and the girl is dressed up all in black and like this suit, and so she looked professional, she looked like, I don't know, this glasses kind of look cool, bold. Same here, really like total black colors looking cool. So that's how basically we're creating an emotions, and that's just an example. Portfolio, yeah, I hope you get the point. They should be sort of consistent. Like, I mean, you can have different colors, of course, but just imagine like they're from same Photoshop. So it will be better for perception. Like when people land on your website and they have same consistent web style through your website, usually people like this. No one likes mess and chaotic. I don't know, maybe someone do, but usually not. Okay, I'm not sure if you're hearing this, but there's a music outside my apartment because it's Sunday and Vietnamese people really like music. What can I say? I respect that. It's okay. Anyways, about the structure, so we need to keep the logic, and like all the websites have plus minus same structure. And if you go to awards websites, like for example, we need a really good heading or menu with all the links and contact link and logo, so it's kind of look the same at every website. It's above, it's on top always. So if you go on awards and this is like the most popular design website design community, and there's like top website designers to put their work out there, and you can see pretty much every website have sort of same menu. Here you can see above and here, and there was like connect or contact, some kind of button, like the main button out there, like shop all, for example. Here, recent site of the day, okay, contact button, logo on the left, contact on the right, menu link. Same here, there's a hidden menu, but I think basically same, yeah. And there's like website of the day, like the most top website designers. So we need a clear menu, really simple menu, and then we have hero section, and the hero section is like the most important one, and as I said before, it should have like strong photos or images, and it should have strong message, and probably a button will be good, and like there's a get a free strategy call, for example, some kind of text, but most important is the heading, as I told before. Yeah. Okay, the second one is intro, and for me it's more like the beginning, like the welcome of the website, like just tell a little bit about what you do or what your agency do, for example. So I added, like, here is a big heading on the left, just a few sentences about what you do and who would you like work with, or something like that. And the next one is a featured project, or I call this portfolio. Like you should showcase, like, and there's the services, but doesn't matter. I think we have portfolio here. Portfolio, you need to put your works. If you're a marketing agency, PR agency, or like service-based kind of agency, or photographer, for example, it's good when you put some works on the homepage, like just a little showcase, like few works will be fine. I have like one, here's a 6th one, and here are like four works, and I also have like view case studies paragraph here, and here's the same portfolio here, yeah, with this kind of cool effect when something is scrolling and something stays in place. I kind of like this one. So portfolio, and you need a social proof, like reviews are always good. Okay, here's the review, and there's automatic ones, but you can switch this with this kind of buttons. And here is really simple. There's lorem ipsum because it's a template. You need a social proof. So I mean, it's good when you put some links there about, okay, you need to talk about yourself, because I think marketing agencies know that, or marketing coaches, because they work really close with marketing, so they know that people buy from people, not like brand. Really, they need to feel attached somehow, and that's why I'm showing my face right now as well, and creating content, because people like people, and people need to know that you are not just some kind of robot made by AI, and they need you and your story. And I think that's why we need to have this about section, and it's really good to talk about your business or what you're doing or how you create this. So I think about sections is a must. Like here is a really good example, like an agency built by women for women-led beauty businesses. So it's really clear and simple heading, but shows exactly what you do. So it's a good one. I also have like two buttons here. One is work with us and one is view portfolio. Like in case someone missed portfolio above, they can review works again. Okay, services. Yes, services. Really simple one. You need to make it clear for visitors what you do, what your package is, how you can help. So it's a good when you just write this on the homepage. Okay, I have this here, like digital marketing, content creation, social media. Like really a simple one, and like each could link to service page or individual packages, like mini sales pages, something like that. So it's good to make it clear for visitors, to tell them what you do. There's a bad example, package 1, package 2, package 3, because it's a template. But here's, for example, I write like, okay, social media, go up, website design, grow campaigns, and this one in tabs. So there's could be like little, I don't know, little description of each. So it's a good one. Yeah. Okay. Oh, by the way, I really want to mention, like, on the services page, please put your prices. Honestly, I really don't like when someone hide their prices. Also, there's could be like, download my PDF with pricing. I mean, it's okay, but because it could be like individual for each client, but I think it's better when you just make it clear and like just put your prices out there. Someone could disagree with me on that one, and it's okay, but I personally like to put my prices on the website and be honest with my visitors. So just put prices out there. It could be like starting from, like something like that. And when you have like phone call with your potential client, you can explain their pricing better. But it's a good thing when you just write the music again, when you write your price on the website. Yeah. Okay, I think also this one is not necessary, but it's good when you have one. And oh, by the way, why work with us is also a good sections, and you can write how you different from other studios or other agencies, and explain like why people should work with you or not with someone else. So also good sections. It's not like necessary, but it's good when you have one. And I seen in it's more like for agencies, yeah. And okay, this one is really good for converting. It could be not for everyone, but it's good when you have this on your website. So it could be freebie, it could be something like sign up and receive a discount, or like stay in the loop and like just collect their emails for like newsletter, for example. But the idea behind this, I think most of you know this, but it could help you to grow your email list really really well. So I'm personally grow my email list by these freebies that I make, and I put them on my website. So these sections in particular, it's really good for growing email list. It could be something free, something like kind of guide, or like, I don't know, PDFs, maybe workbooks, something like that. For me, like, I think my most popular is free fuck you template. Did I pronounce it right? I think I it's something bad right now. So yes, like there's like, for me, like it's free templates really really help me to grow my email list. So it's good when you have this one. It's not for everybody, but it definitely can create more conversions, because I personally noticed like I only have like 100, yeah, 100 followers on my email list, my leads, I mean, and I already have a sales during this like November, some kind of Black Friday, and I had sales from my website just because like few people from this 100 read my messages, my emails. Yeah, don't sleep on getting more leads. That's my message. And yeah, CTA at the bottom of the page is the must. Like I see it everywhere, on every website they have this, I don't know, like call to action sections. So this is set in place, but if you even go on like AdWords and open some kind of website, most of them have CTA at the bottom of the page, and that's the most important one sections, because it's really good for converting. And you can put something, work with us or like contact us. Really good one. So don't forget to put this on your page somewhere at the end. And the footer, of course, the last one is the footer. Oh, you can also have some kind of social media. Oh wait, I have this here. I have this Instagram grid here, but even without Instagram, it's good when you put like most important links for social media, for pages. And I know I have this newsletter, by the way, form, which is good. Here's more simple one: Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, like on the right, and on the left all the important pages, and like legal pages somewhere here. So footer is important. Footer, I don't know how many users looking at the links in the footer. Probably menu is more important, and probably menu is more better, but footer is mean a lot. Footer is really good. So yeah, I think that's it. So in conclusion, what we should have clear message, especially on hero screen, and we should have good photos and good quality photos, and they should be optimized. I mean, in terms of designs, what can I also say? 1-2 fonts is okay. You don't need too much fonts. And the colors, like I like minimal colors, but it's up to you. The colors should be in your kind of branding style, right? And it should be also matching with the photos, I think. So you can see like the main colors here is red, and it's look really bold red color, just like her jacket. I don't know. Here's the same, like there's like super simple beige, black and white, and here is, I think, like this neon green, just like on the photos. So yeah, that's on the emotional, right? Like emotion plus logic, and that's more like on feeling side. And for the structure, we need menu, hero, intro, portfolio, social proof, about, services, call to actions, a newsletter or freebies, and the footer. I think that's it. Yeah, that's like the most important sections, and that's enough to create high converting website and website homepage. Thanks you for watching, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. I hope that was helpful. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.